When it comes to working with livestock, good cattle handling equipment has a direct impact on the profitability and productivity of your operation. And it doesn't matter the size of your farm or ranch, you can improve the safety for both livestock and handlers by making an investment in equipment that promises to last. That's why Mahle Manufacturing collaborates closely with cattle producers to design efficient and humane cattle handling facilities. They focus on creating customized solutions tailored to each producer's specific needs, while enhancing animal welfare and improving the safety and comfort of both the animal and the operator.
My wife and I, Sherry, own the 808 Ranch in the very southwest corner of Missouri. The 808 Ranch is a purebred Black Angus ranch. Our focus is on producing fall-born calves, bull calves, mostly embryo transfer calves, that are then raised and in the 44 Ranch bull sale.
Well, the 808 Ranch was founded 4 years ago in 2020, but our family has ranching history that goes back into the 30s out in Wyoming.
With the Steigers' long experience raising cattle, they knew they wanted to install a top-of-the-line cattle handling facility at the 808 Ranch.
I've had a lifetime of ranching and a lifetime of seeing the equipment that ranchers use and using equipment both good and bad. And I had seen the Mahle equipment work in feedlots. I've seen the Mahle equipment work on purebred and commercial ranches. And so even before we bought our ranch, I knew that I was going to outfit my ranch with equipment from Mahle.
As a ranch manager for over 40 years, I've had experience with a lot of different chutes, a lot of different systems, but the silencer system is without a doubt the best one on the market.
Well, for one thing, it's safety as far as the animal and the people. It's fewer people. Labor's trouble for everybody these days, and so it just takes one or two of us to work what usually would take 4 or 5.
With the Mahle turret and the silencer chute, 1 or 2 people can work cattle very efficiently, cut the cost of your labor bill, be safer, and it affects your bottom line from both sides of the equation there.
In fact, Carl and Chase often are a two-man team when they work cattle, and that makes the Mahle turret gate especially valuable.
The Mahle gate, the turret gate, is without a doubt my favorite part of the system. You can push with the gate 3 or 4 head up towards the alley, but then once they're in, the last one's in, you return and shuttle the gate back through so the next 3 are ready to go through. You're not blocking them, preventing them from moving efficiently through the system.
One of the things that really pleases me about my Mahle turret is that my guys are not in there with those cattle. This thing works so slick where it slides through, the gate slides through and it comes back around. And so my employees do not have to be up there in that alley. I love it because it's safe, and I also love it because it's the least amount of stress on the people, but also on my cattle.
The remote is a safety tool with the silencer and Mahle, with the Mahle turret, because you're outside of the alley with the cattle. You're able to do the things you normally would have to do right behind the cattle, pushing them into the gate. You can do, once you've pushed them in, shut the gate in the alley, then you've got your Mahle turret to bring them through the system.
As much as they appreciate the way the turret gate works, the 808 Ranch crew also values the features of the silencer squeeze chute.
The silencer, the safety was first here. Once they're in there, you can hold them from top to bottom. Their head up here, if instead of flouncing around trying to put a tag in, you can squeeze their head down. It's just made it more efficient and less injury on the animal or the help.
The silencer is a great chute, has a lot of adjustments. It's very easy to operate. Controls right here. We have a scale under it, which I love. Everything that comes through here, then we have a software with the EID tag. Every time we weigh them, every time they're given a shot, all that data is collected.
We run our cattle, the recipients in particular, through the chute a lot. What we find is with the Mahle equipment that the cows that are coming through there, and they're kind of getting used to it after 2 or 3 cycles of being recipients, and there's no tension at all. There's none of them being upset with the way that we work them, and by having the right equipment to work them, that we're in a really good shape to get cattle to settle to the expensive embryos that we're producing and also buying.
Along with low stress for the cattle and safety for the people, Lamar says the Molly system helps them meet their goal of producing high-quality beef.
One of my strongest beliefs is that we're the stewards not only of the land, but we're the stewards of these cattle as well. And it's especially important today because American consumers, the people that are buying the beef, want to know that the cattle are handled properly. If the chute's not right, if the corral's not right, and they're getting bruised, those bruises go right on, and those are part of diminishing the value of a carcass. They don't just go away. That diminishes the value of the carcass, and frankly, we can't have that. And so we have a saying here at the 808 that we want to make sure that every calf, every cow, every bull has its best day every day. And if there's the least bit of anything going on with that calf or that cow that's not proper, then we want to be on top of that just as quickly as we can. Part of that solution is having the right equipment to use.
At the 808 Ranch in southwest Missouri, I'm Brian Baxter reporting for NCBA's Cattleman to Cattleman.